Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. If you're seeking regular income, consider looking at an investment vehicle that operates as a business development company, or BDC for short. BDC structures, which tend to be high yielding, were initially created in 1980s by US Congress as a strategy to drive jobs growth and help emerging companies raise capital. Once a company is accepted by a BDC, they have access to expertise to grow operations or remedy any business hurdles. It's akin to have a consultant on your side. A BDC's portfolio of companies will generally be small to medium size, but can also include larger companies if they are distressed. As such, BDC will tend to be higher risk. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. To compensate for the added risk, this kind of company will generally offer high yields and the possibility of delivering high potential total returns for income investors. Now, BDCs should benefit from the business-friendly Trump administration due to less regulation and a potential rise in business activity that would drive loans and investments.
For everyday average investors, the opportunity to buy BDC also provides an alternative investment opportunity that was previously only available to the wealthy. With all this said, today's income pick is Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol GSBD. John, what can you tell us about this BDC?
Yeah, Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. is a 1.44 billion market cap company that is well managed and has provided steady dividends and the potential for some capital appreciation potential. The BDC was formed by Wall Street heavyweight Goldman Sachs Inc., which is traded on the NYSE under ticker GS, and it holds 6.51 million shares of GSBD stock. Now, Goldman Sachs BDC focuses on middle market companies in the US. Its objective is, of course, to deliver income and some capital appreciation. As of September 30th, 2024, the BDC had investments in 167 portfolio companies, and that compares to 144 portfolio companies as of December 31st, 2023.
Let's talk numbers here. How is this BDC doing financially? I'd imagine being managed by Goldman Sachs can't hurt.
Well, no. Goldman Sachs BDC reports its revenue as total investment income and earnings as net investment income. Now, the BDC's total investment income came in at $454.9 million in 2023, and that's up from $357.5 million in 2022 and $347 million in 2021. Now, in the third quarter of 2024, Goldman Sachs BDC reported total investment income of $110.4 million, up slightly from $108.6 million in the second quarter. Now, analysts expect the company to report total investment income of $435.9 million in 2024 and $418 million in 2025. The expected decline shouldn't be a big surprise, given the nature of the business, where success depends on the performance of its investments in the portfolio companies.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. John, what about the profitability here?
On the bottom line, Goldman Sachs BDC reported net investment income of $2.28 per basic and diluted share in 2023. That compares to $2.24 per share in 2022 and $2.33 per share in 2021. And looking ahead, analysts expect net investment income to contract to $2.20 per basic and diluted share in 2024, followed by $1.75 per share and a high estimate of $1.97 per basic and diluted share in 2025. Now, in the third quarter, investment income was 58 cents per basic and diluted share, which was actually 3 cents above consensus. This was the third straight quarterly beat. Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. held $1.88 billion in total debt at the end of September, which is typical of the use of leverage in the BDC business.
Now let's talk about something income investors are really interested in. How do the dividends look like here?
With Goldman Sachs BDC stock, you get a steady quarterly dividend of 45 cents per share, and that has been in place since September 2015. Now that works out to a forward dividend yield of 14.66%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Goldman Sachs BDC stock is ideal for income investors seeking high-yielding, steady income. The lack of dividend growth may not be ideal for everyone, but the current high yield is still well above what you'd get from treasuries, bonds, and vast majority of dividend stocks. Plus, the BDC is managed by a top Wall Street firm with a proven track record in investments. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now, to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.